These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions. Trading involves risk, and results can vary based on your experience, trading style, and risk management, and how well you can calculate and manage those risks. These live sessions are my personal trading sessions shared strictly to educate and document my own journey in the markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is my first trade. I was a little skeptical about taking this trade because of this gap down. Alright. Let's see. I hope we don't lose this trade. Yeah. So the reason why I took this trade is simply because of this first, second, and the breakout happened in the third touch. And we don't have any other reason, honestly. And the reason why I was a little skeptical about taking this trade is because if you look right here, we have a little bit of gap down in the favor of buyers. This can push the price higher. As you can see, the buyers are trying their best to just go up, and I probably want to lose these two trades. And the only thing that, yeah, we won this trade. Let me just show you. This is generally a supply area. Previously, a little bit of shadow inside it, so it has consumed a little bit of sellers, and now the price touched the supply again, and it will go down to this demand right down here. So we win the first trade. I'm gonna check the other ones. I'm gonna take it 250 on this one. It's breaking the overlapping area. And look at this. This is another third touch breakout. Like 1, 2, 3. Third touch breakout. And this would be the sell, just as the previous trade that we took. Which one was it? This one? Oh, we have another potential third touch breakout. And again, the price is coming from a supply, just as the trade we took for the first time. All right, this trade is about to close. I took this with 250 because this is just an overlapping breakout. There's no other major setup for this trade. That's why I took it with 250. Whenever I have a very low probability setup, I take it with smaller amounts at 250. Let's go back to 1000. It's late night right now. I usually do not trade at this time. It's been a couple of days that I don't have a session. All right. This is about to give me a doji break trade. This is an order block, and this is the fair value gap. So I'm assuming that I can take a very good order block trade combined with doji. Oh, this is amazing. I want to take one trade right now, right here. I cannot stop myself. All right, now my main trade will be, let's go right here. Beautiful. This is beautiful, man. This is some kind of look. This is some kind of decision point, right? This is the decision point for this breakout, and then the doji breakout happened there, and my entry should have been right here. I hope we don't lose this trade, man. It would be so freaking embarrassing to lose this trade, triple trade. I literally would stop trading if I lose this trade. And this is also, you tell me, this is also common point of rejection. People ask me what is the best time for trading. There's not really a best time for trading. This is late night. It's about 2 a.m. right now, and I'm taking my session, and I usually trade in the mornings. Okay, so there's not really a best time to trade. I just checked the chart and I saw that, oh, look at this. Dojis are working. Look how beautiful this doji is. The supplies are working. How beautiful the supply is, right? Doji, this is still working. Look at this gap up in the favor of sellers. Hammer candle in the support area, reversal candle. See, market is respecting the setups. That's why I started my session right now. That's the main reason. I'm done with the session. 6 trades. We took the best possible trades. I hope you enjoyed. This was a short session. I also hit my take profit. I'm going to just extend my take profit. I'm going to hit 100K again. If you enjoyed, join the free official Telegram channel, first link in the description, and peace out.